Welcome to the lecture of Python for Data Science. In this video, we will cover the topic such as the regular expression and the bags of words model from the unit number 3. So, in the unit number 3, we have one concept related to the shaping data. So in that, we will see the first one, that is the introducing the regular expression, and then we will see using the bag of words model and beyond. So it has the subtopics like this. So in the subtopics, we will see these two topics in this particular video, and we will see the TF-IDF transformation and the working with the graph data in our next video. So let's start with the regular expression. So what is the regular expression that we have to understand first? So just for an example, I take the example of the email ID. Then there is some fixed pattern in the email ID. So what is the email ID? In the starting, we have some characters, that is the text data, or some numeric data, the combination of text and numeric data. Then we have @ symbol. Then after that, we are writing either the Gmail or the Yahoo or the Hotmail, and then .com or .in, like that. So this is the pattern related to the email ID. If I take the pattern related to the mobile number, then in the mobile number we have the pattern that it contains the 10 digits. So it is the pattern of the mobile number, like that. There is lots of pattern is there in the row text. So if you want to search for a particular pattern, then you can do it with the help of the regular expression. So the regular expression present the data scientist with an interesting array of tools for parsing the row text. So the first requirement is to discover the pattern matching. So we have to identify a particular pattern. So we will perform this pattern matching code in our notebook. So let's first understand that the pattern matching characters used in Python. So this is the table. There are lots of characters used for the pattern matching, and this table represents the few of them. So you can see over here that RE and then question mark. So what it does, what is its interpretation? So it says that it matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding expression. Then this is the other symbols, that is the characters used in the pattern matching. So you can find the few of them like this. So this is the character, that is the caret symbol. So what it do? So its interpretation is like this, that it matches the beginning of the line. What the dollar symbol do? It matches the end of the line. So in the expression, in the regular expression or in the pattern matching, if you want to find a pattern which starts with some character or which ends with some other character, so you can make a pattern of your own by using such characters which is there present in the Python. So let's see the notebook file related to the regular expression. So this is my Python notebook, and you can see over here that I have imported the RE as the library. So this is the library related to the regular expression. So the library name is RE, like this. So I'm importing that, that is import space RE. It is already present in my this particular environment. So I do not have to install like pip space install and that. So it is by default present, so I can use it directly. Now I am writing over here, that is I'm creating a pattern. So I'm creating a pattern like this. So this is my string which is written in the single quote, and my pattern starts with the character as A. So I have written the pattern like this, that my starting character should be A. So what this caret shows, it shows the starting of the particular line. So this is the, you can see the caret, it matches the beginning of the line. So I have created a pattern which starts with the character A, and the dollar represents that it matches the end of the line. So you can see over here that this is my dollar and it matches the end of the line. So my particular line should end with the letter S. So this is my pattern that I have created using the symbols that is mentioned in the table. And this is my test string. So in the test string, I have written one string like this. So this is string which contains the 5 different letters. Now this is my result. In the result, I am storing the answer, that is the boolean, whether it is the true or false. So I'm writing that is re.match. That is my regular expression library. In that the match method or the match function is present. So I'm writing re.match. As in first argument, I'm passing the pattern object, and as in second argument, I am passing this particular test underscore string object. So what will happen? This match function will match whether this particular test string is matching this particular pattern or not. So it will check that it will match that. So if the result is true, then it will be stored in my result object. So if the result is true, then it will enter into my if condition, and in the output, what statement will be printed? That search successful, it will be printed in my output screen. So let's see that by starting of the line should be A. So it is there in my test string, and the ending of the line should be with the letter S. So it is there in my test string. So what should be the output? My output should be the search successful. The statement should be printed in my output cell. So let's run this code and you can see the output, that is search space successful. Now just for an example, in the test underscore string, instead of S, suppose I am writing H over here. That is, my test string starts with A, but it ends at H, not at S. So what will happen? This particular match will get false. So what will happen? It will enter it into my else portion. So the final result will be search unsuccessful. So let's run this particular code and you can see that it is showing me the output as search unsuccessful. So like this, you can write the pattern related to the email ID. You can also write the pattern related to the phone number. So in your document, if you want to find or if you want to search for the email ID, how many email IDs are present and you want that into your output, so you can find that particular pattern in your document like this, that is by using the concept of the regular expression. Or else, if in your document some mobile numbers are present, so you want to extract that mobile numbers from your document. So the mobile number is having some kind of pattern, so just write that pattern related to the mobile number, and you can search the mobile number, the various different mobile numbers which is present in your document by using the concept of the regular expression. So this is how the pattern matching is done by using the concept of regular expression. Now let's see the concept of the bag of words model and beyond. So what is the bag of words that we have to identify first? So let's see that the goal of most data import is to perform some type of analysis. So before you can perform analysis on the textual data, you must tokenize every word within the data set. Now what do you mean by tokenize over here? Tokenize means to convert your string, your statement into small words. So this concept we have done in the concept of the stop words in the previous video lectures that we have done in the Python code, that the statement is there and we are writing a dot split function to convert that statement into the list of words. So that concept is called the tokenization, that is converting statement into the list of words. So we will call it as the tokenization. So what they are telling, that before performing any analysis on the textual data, first of all, what you have to do, you have to perform the tokenization. That is every word within the data set. So the act of tokenizing the words creates the bag of words. So when we are doing this particular tokenization task, at that time the bag of words is created. So whenever we apply any algorithm in the natural language processing, it works on the number. So we cannot directly feed our text into that algorithm because it works on the number. So what is the bag of words model? Hence, the bag of word model is used to pre-process the text by converting it into a bag of words, which keeps a count of the total occurrences of most frequently used words. So this is very important for the bag of words. That is, it keeps a count of the total occurrences of most frequently used words. So the bag of words shows the total frequency of the word. So let's understand this statement with the help of this particular example. So this is my table which shows the bag of words vector, and this is my statement that it is a puppy and it is extremely cute. Now this is my bag of words vector. So this table contains my all the unique words. So in this table, no words will get repeat in this particular bag of words vector table. So I have all the different unique words like this, that is it, they, puppy, and cat. This is the artwork, that is a random word, cute and extremely. So in this particular statement, my it word is repeating how many times? So it is over here first time and this is over here the second time. So the frequency of the it is 2. They particular this word, that is they word, is not appearing in my statement, so its frequency is 0. Puppy is there one time in my statement, so its frequency is 1. And is there in my statement only one time, so its frequency is 1. Cat is not there in my statement, so its frequency is 0. So like this, the bag of words is created. It means it is used and it keeps the count of the total occurrences of the most frequently used words. So like this, it will show the count of the words which is appearing in your statement. Now we will see the working with Ngrams, which is the part of the bag of words model and beyond. So what is Ngram? So let's see that. The essential concept in the text mining is Ngram. So what is text mining? So you are doing the analysis on the text data. It means the text mining. So you can perform the text mining in the data science using the concept of the Ngrams. So it is one of the topic for the text mining. So, which are the set of the co-occurring or continuous sequence of the n items from a sequence of the large text or the sentence. So let's understand this, that what is a 1 gram. Instead of n, I can write any number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm writing instead of n, that is 1. So it will be called as my unigram. It means the unique words are present in my statement. So it will give me all the unique words present in my document or my statement. If I make use of the 2 instead of n, then it will be my 2 gram like this. It means the bigram. It is called as the bigram. It is read like this, that is the bigram. So it is the combination of the two words. 1 gram means it is only the unique word. 2 grams means it is the combination of two words. Just for an example, if I take the example that there is one WhatsApp group of 10 different friends, and I am giving the chat of that particular WhatsApp group, that is the chat of the last 3 days, to the 11th person. And I'm telling that 11th person that just find out that in the last 3 days, this particular WhatsApp chat is talking about which particular uh, subject. So in this WhatsApp group, there are 10 different friends, and that 10 different friends are talking about which topic. So I want to find that. So I can make use of the unigram. Suppose they are talking about the COVID-19 as the subject or the COVID-19 as the topic in the last 3 days. So I can make use of the bag of words model. So the COVID-19 particular word is repeating how many times? What is the frequency of that COVID-19 word that is in the WhatsApp chat of the last 3 days? So you can identify that. That is the unique word, that is the COVID-19. It falls under the uh, 1 gram, that is the unigrams. Now if I take the other example, that in this example I am considering again the same WhatsApp chat, that is the WhatsApp chat of the WhatsApp group of the 10 different friends, and I want to know that on which topic they are talking more about. So the word, that is the GTU examination, that is the GTU results, or the concept related to the GTU result, that is the result of GTU, that is the 2019 result. So they are talking that the winter 2019 result or the summer 2019 result. So this summer 2019, these are the two different words. So they are appearing with a combination. So they are appearing, these two different words are used at a time. So the winter 2019, it is one combination, and the summer 2019 is the another combination. So these two words are most frequently used. Only 2019 is not used, only summer is not used, only winter is not used. The combination of two words is used, that is the summer 2019 and the winter 2019. So it falls under the bigram, that is the combination of the two words, that is two words are used all together. Similarly, there is a trigram, it means the combination of the three words, and so on you can write, that is the 5 gram, the 4 gram, like this. So let's see the Python code. So suppose this is my string, and my this particular object s contains this particular statement. So I have written in the triple double quotes, that is the double quotes 3 times I can say. So I have used the new line concept over here. So it will be stored as it is in my object s, as I have used the double quotes 3 times. So I'm importing this particular library, that is import re. What I'm doing, I'm creating one user defined function over here, that is the def space generate underscore ngrams, that is s comma n. So this is my user defined function, that is generate underscore x grams, and I'm passing the two different arguments, that is s comma n. So in the s, I will pass the statement. As a n, I will write that I want the n grams, that is I want the combination of how many words, that is I want the unigram, the bigram, the trigram, which over here I have passed. You can see the function call, that is n equals to 5. So I want to find the combination, that is the combination of the 5 different words. So it will be passed, that is the number n over here. So in the function definition, what the first step I am doing, I am converting my string into the lower case, that is the s dot lower. Then I am replacing all the non-alphanumeric characters with the spaces. So this is my non-alphanumeric characters. I'm replacing it with the spaces like this by making the use of the regular expression library. Then what I'm doing, I'm performing the tokenization, that is I'm breaking this sentence into the small words, that is I'm splitting the statement with the help of the space like this. So this is the Python comprehension that we have used in the stop words. So it will start with the 4 over here, that is 4 token in s dot split. So it will split the statement into list of words. It will check the condition, whatever the final result is, it will be stored in my token object, and whatever the final result is in my token object, it will be stored in my tokens object. Then what I am doing, use the zip function to help us generate the ngrams. So over here I am making use of the zip function to generate the ngrams. And then what we are doing, we are concatenating the tokens into the ngrams, and we are returning it. So whatever our small words are there, that is the tokenization. I am joining all the words to again into this statement. So I am writing this particular join function. So what is the output of this particular Python code? The output will be like this. You can see the combination of the 5 different words which are used in your document. So this is the output like this, that is based on the string s. So this is what the ngrams is. We will see what is TF-IDF and its Python implementation of TF-IDF in our next video lecture. So keeping it till here, thank you for watching.